Does anyone challenge Senior Guerra for this position? Welcome. State your credentials for succeeding Senior Guerra.
It's funny. All that excitement in Mexico City rang a distant bell. And now, suddenly, this evening, it makes perfect sense. Welcome, James. It's been a long time. And finally, here we are. What took you so long? Cuckoo.
Ciao, Mickey Mouse.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. No. Come on, Tom.
Bond?
Listen, Moneypenny, Hamburg, Tunisia, Mexico City, they're all linked. It's one organization coordinating multiple attacks.
So she was right.
Of course she was.
I ran that check.
Who is it?
Oh, my boss had his credit card stolen. It's nothing. Why don't you go back to sleep?
Don't be long.
Who was that?
No one.
No, it wasn't.
It's just a friend.
At this time of night?
It's called Life, James. You should try it sometime. The Pale King. It looks like you've had dealings with him before. Quantum.
Of course, Mr. White.
That's him. Last unconfirmed sighting, Alta Sea in Austria, 4 months ago.
Hold that thought. You still there?
Yep.
Got another name, will you?
Okay. Go.
A man called Franz Oberhauser. And check his files before and after his death.
After his death, what are you talking about?
Please, just do it. Okay, Q. Give me something. That's more like it. Here goes nothing. Good evening.